Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a max razor for underarms. First, ensure your underarms are clean. Use warm water and a mild soap to wash the area, then gently exfoliate to remove any dead skin. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and allows for a closer shave. Next, apply a thick layer of shaving cream or gel. This creates a smooth surface and protects your skin from irritation, making the process much more comfortable and effective. Now, let's talk about technique. Gently pull your skin taut to create a flat, even surface. This helps the razor glide smoothly and reduces the risk of nicks. Begin by shaving in the direction your hair grows. For an even closer shave, you can then reapply cream and shave lightly against the grain. Remember to use short, gentle strokes and rinse your max razor frequently under running water to prevent clogging and maintain its effectiveness. After shaving, proper post-care is crucial for healthy skin. Rinse your underarms with cool water to help close your pores and reduce irritation. Gently pat the area dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Finally, apply an alcohol-free moisturizer or a soothing balm. This step hydrates your skin, prevents dryness, and keeps your underarms feeling soft and smooth, minimizing any potential redness or discomfort. To ensure the best results and maintain hygiene, proper razor care is key. After each shave, thoroughly rinse your max razor under running water to remove all hair and shaving cream. Allow it to air dry completely before storing it in a dry, clean place. For optimal performance and to prevent irritation, replace your razor blade every 5 to 7 shaves. This ensures a consistently close and comfortable shave every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.